Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I want to share with you another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping using TMaxx color change PPF film finished in chalk gray. Chalk gray has been increasingly popular for quite a few years now on all models Tesla, and that craze and popularity has definitely come over to Cybertruck. And thanks to TMaxx, this PPF film, paint protection film, that comes with a 10-year warranty, is hydrophobic, has self-healing properties, and also changes the color of your Cybertruck to the very popular chalk gray. Very nice look on the Cybertruck, and all the exterior plastic trims just kind of work nicely with it as a kind of a soft contrast. As you can see, we reapplied the Foundation Series badges on the front two fenders and the rear tailgate, also in satin blacks to tie it in with all the other trim on the car. And then the customer chose my ultimate favorite, our 24-inch CTM wheels, fully forged, monoblock, finished in satin black. Could have gone gloss black also, but satin's cool too because this really matches nicely with all the moldings and the trims and the bumpers. There's no right or wrong on that color, that's for sure. But as you can see, this truck has been wrapped. It looks really good. Nice kind of cyber tone. 24-inch wheels, amazing. Foundation Series badges. Some window tint to finish it all off for not only a good look, but to help cool the interior on those hot summer days thanks to 3M ceramic IR film. And lastly, we actually applied Ceramic Pro treatment to the complete exterior. So they have many different levels of products. One step goes on the actual wrap itself to seal it all in and help prevent wrap degradation and to keep a really nice sheen, shine, and easy cleanup. Number two, products specifically for the front and rear bumpers, the four-wheel arches, the lower plastic trims, the tonneau cover to help prevent fading and to go ahead and provide for easy cleanup. And then lastly, on the exterior glass area, so the windshield and the doors and the windows, to help prevent spotting and also provide for easy cleanup and to repel dirty water and water in general very quickly. Great product from Ceramic Pro, a really nice way to just finish off wrapping your Cybertruck. Of course, there's a product for the wheels as well, which we applied to help reduce brake dust. And also, it's all about easy cleanup. Ceramic Pro makes it easy. It's a nice touch for all models Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.